Hey viewers, hope you're all well and enjoying your life. My name is Muhammad Wakas and you are watching your own YouTube channel with the name Learn with MW. Viewers, we are back after a long interval of time, and in this video we will be discussing a very informative topic and a very interesting topic as well, that is parts of speech. Up till now I have uploaded complete series of noun, complete series of pronoun and complete series of adjectives respectively. And inshallah in later videos I will also be uploading complete series of article, complete series of adverb, verb, conjunction and interjection. But on your all request or the comments that I have received from your side, I will just explore all these concepts and all these parts of speech in this short video very quickly. So the first one is noun. You will be seeing on the screen the noun refer to the word or the phrases that represent a person, place or thing. So these are the examples given. And then we have pronouns. So pronouns are used instead of a noun. The examples are given, you can easily see. And verb refer to those words which shows an action, like run, he's running, and also express a state of being, he's sitting on the table. So these are three we have discussed it and in very detail. Now we have discussed noun, pronoun and as well as verb. That noun are used, noun basically shows name of a person, place or thing, while the pronoun are used instead of a noun. And verb basically shows an action. I have given example like he is running, he is playing a cricket, they are dancing. So in this all you have to learn the action words are known as verb. Now in this slide we're gonna discuss about adjectives, adverb and verb. So in this video we'll be discussing about adjectives. Now adjectives are words that are used instead of a noun or pronoun, like for example angry. So he's an angry boy. So boy here, angry is basically adding meaning to the noun. Now adverb, you will be seeing on your screen that refer to the word that describe verb, adjectives and another adverb as well. So keep that in mind. I'm giving a short trick is that adverb usually end with ly. So badly, fully, carefully, all these end with ly. So not it is the case always, but it end with ly. An article, I have already uploaded videos that there are two types of article, definite and indefinite article. Indefinite article are and, while a definite article are the. So they are mostly adjectives. They are not a separate parts of speech. They fall in the category of adjectives. And basically articles, and more specifically they are demonstrative adjectives. So we have discussed in the second slide adverb, adjectives as well as article. Now in this third slide we're gonna discussing the remaining parts of speech, which are conjunction, interjection and prepositions. So I'm pretty sure that you have heard about these parts of speech as well, but let's now go through these parts of speech in this slide, that what are preposition, what are conjunction and what are interjection. So keep that in mind that preposition refer to the words that are used before a noun or pronoun or gerund, and in order to show time, place and directions, like above the book is, he is above, and except and from and he is in the class near. So we will discuss it in later parts of videos again. So conjunction, which are basically connectors, they connect two parts of sentences, like for example Ali and Aslam are playing cricket. So here and is basically connecting the two nouns or pronouns or words, so they are connectors. And interjections, they are the words that are used to show strong feelings and emotions, like hurrah, we have won the match. So in this video viewers, if you like this video, do share this video. We have discussed all this concept and all parts of speech in a very detail. So I hope so you have enjoyed this video and you will find it informative as well. Thanks a lot.